In this video, I will show how finance and operations apps can be integrated with Dataverse by creating virtual entity. This will enable the create, read, update and delete operations on the entities of the finance and operations apps from Dataverse. All OData entities in finance and operations apps are available as virtual entities in Dataverse. In this video, I will integrate the customer group entity of finance and operations apps with Dataverse. First, I will select the Power Platform environment that I want to integrate with finance and operations apps. Under the resources button in the action pane, I will select the Dynamics 365 apps option. It will display all the Dynamics 365 apps already installed in the Power Platform environment. I will select the Install App button in the action pane and install the Finance and Operations Virtual Entity app from the list of available apps. I will open the Azure portal and select Azure Active Directory. I will create a new app registration named Virtual Entity. I will note the application ID for future use. I will select the certificates and secrets and create a new secret. I will copy this secret also for future use. I will navigate to the Finance and Operations apps to grant permission to the app registered in the Azure Active Directory. I will first navigate to the users page in the System Administration module. I will create a new user ID Dataverse integration with the same username. I will enter the provider and email. I will assign Dataverse Virtual Entity Integration App security role to the user. I will remove all other existing security roles. I will save the record and navigate to the Azure Active Directory applications under Setup in the System Administration module. I will create a new record and add the application ID previously noted. In the user ID field, I will enter the user ID I just created. I will select the Power Platform environment and then I will select the Open button in the action pane to open the Dynamics 365 application. I will select the Advanced Settings option. I select Virtual Entity Data Source under Administration. I will locate and open the data source Finance and Operations. I enter the URL of Finance and Operations apps in the target URL field. In the tenant ID field, I enter the tenant where Dynamics 365 is hosted. In the AAD application ID field, I will enter the application ID I already noted. In the AAD application secret field, I will enter the secret which is already noted. I will select the Advanced Find icon and open the Advanced Find dialog. I will select the available finance and operations entities in the Look For dropdown. In the Select link, I will select Name followed by Contains and Cast. I will select the Result button followed by Cast Customer Group Entity. I will check the visible checkbox and select the Save and Close button. I will navigate to the Power Apps Maker portal and select Tables. A new virtual table customer groups is automatically created. I will navigate to the form and create a new form for the customer groups entity. I will select the description and company code fields in the form and save and publish the form. Under the apps, I select Sales Hub to edit the model-driven app. Under the pages, I select App Settings. I add a new page under Sales Administration. From the list of Dataverse tables, I select the newly created virtual table customer groups. I save and publish the change. I will open the Dynamics 365 sales application from the Power Platform environment. I will select the app settings. Under sales administration, you will find the newly added virtual entity customer group. It will show the customer groups from the finance and operations apps. I will create a new customer group 99 with description demo group and company USMF. I will save and close the record. I will navigate to the customer group page under the accounts receivable module in finance and operations apps. You will find the new customer group 99 in the finance and operations apps under the USMF company.